Good morning, children. This is your GSC class. Children, we will start the online classes. Chapter 10, Moving Air, Wind. Children, you must have seen your hair moving when you are on a bicycle or bike. Children, you have seen that now? When you are on bicycle or bike, your hair is moving? Yes. Do you know what makes your hair move? Do you know? Let us learn. It is the air around us that makes things move. And it is the air around us and that air make things move. We can feel the air when it moves, and we can feel the air when it moves. We cannot touch. Okay. Moving air is called wind, and that moving air is called wind. Wind can be gentle enough to make the clothes and leaves of a tree move, or strong enough to uproot a strong tree completely. And that wind that is strong enough to move a tree or strong enough to uproot a strong tree completely. When the wind moves slowly, it is called breeze, and it makes the weather pleasant. And when the wind moves slowly, that is called breeze. And when the wind blows strong and fast, it is called gale. It can cause a storm, and a storm can cause harm to us. It can blow things away, uproot trees, damage houses and crops. It can also turn ships and boats upside down. The storm is so harmful to us, and that storm can blow things away and uproot trees. You see, this is happened by storm, and it is uproot trees or damage houses and crops, and it can also turn ships and boats upside down. Wind is useful to us in many ways. Let us learn the wind, how it is useful to us. First, it helps our clothes to dry faster. This wind helps us our clothes to dry first, and it helps boats to sail in water, and that wind also helps boats to sail in water. Windmills move with the force of wind. These are used to produce electricity and to pump water, and that winds help to move windmills, and these are used to produce electricity and to pump water. Seeds of some plants like cotton and dandelion are light in weight and have wings. These seeds are carried to far off places with the help of wind. And the seed of some plants like cotton and dandelion are light in weight, that is very light in weight, and have wings. These seeds are carried to far off places with the help of wind. It helps a parachute to move. Okay, these are the help or these are the uses of wind. Here is some filling the blanks. You find the answer and write here. Wind moves in one direction only. A wind vane shows the direction of the wind. Wind vane is generally fixed on top of the buildings. It is also known as weathercock. This is wind vane. Wind vane, okay. And this helps or this shows the direction of the wind. And it is also known as weathercock. The beak of the cock shows the direction in which the wind is blown. The beak of the cock shows the direction in which the wind is blowing.